In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Copilot shortcut Alt+Space on your computer in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to enhance your productivity or eliminate unexpected interruptions, learning how to disable this shortcut can make your application navigation smoother and more tailored to your needs. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to want to open your Settings app. Now, this can usually be found by clicking on the Start menu located typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu pops up, look for the gear icon, which represents Settings, and click on it. The Settings app is your hub for all kinds of configurations, so consider bookmarking it for easy access in the future. Once you're in the Settings app, look for the section titled Personalization. It's among various options that allow you to customize everything from your background to your taskbar. Click on Personalization, and then, among the choices that appear on the left side of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Taskbar. Click on Taskbar, and you'll be taken to a page filled with settings specific to your taskbar setup. Now scroll down until you find the section called Taskbar Items. This is where you manage the components that appear on your taskbar. Keep an eye out for the item labeled Copilot. This is an integrated feature that some users find useful, but if it's getting in your way or you simply don't use it, here's what you do next. You'll notice that next to the Copilot label, there's a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn that switch to the off position. Simply clicking it should do the trick. This action is what essentially disables the Copilot button from appearing on your taskbar. More importantly, once you turn off the Copilot from the taskbar items, it will also disable the Alt+Space keyboard shortcut for Copilot. This means you won't accidentally trigger Copilot anymore with that combination, allowing you to use the space for other valuable shortcuts without ending up in the Copilot interface. And that's it! In just a few moments, you've managed to disable the Copilot shortcut, creating a work environment that's more under your control and less prone to interruptions. If you need to reverse this change for any reason, simply follow the same steps and switch the toggle back to on. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tech tips and tricks.